today we're going to be replacing some struts or lift supports, if you want to call them, but not just any struts. These aren't for your hood. These aren't for your suspension. These aren't for your tailgate. These are for your tailgate rear glass. Those of you who have SUVs and you have that back glass that separates from the tailgate, that's what these are right here. So we're going to go ahead and get started real simple and easy. Got two of them, of course. It's been a while since that rear tailgate glass has actually stayed up on its own, so about time I go ahead and do a nice little simple repair like this. Go and slide that off real quick. I'll show you guys. This is what it looks like, obviously. Yeah, this is not your average suspension strut. This is actually a cute little tiny one, but it's for your rear glass, those who have SUVs that the glass actually moves. So let's get started. Okay, y'all excuse the background noise. There's a lot of activity going on over there at the neighbors. They're talking extra loud like a football field. All the tools you need. A very tiny little flathead. Let's go ahead and show you what I'm doing with this. All right, now that most of the damn noise is out of the way, we're gonna be removing these clips. I'm trying not to mix them up because, of course, just like on every aftermarket part, there's parts that are a little bit different, like these clips right here. This is the new one, and these clips are a little bit different. This one's the bigger one, and the smaller one goes on the bottom right here that I'm having trouble getting out, but this is the small clips from the old one right here. This is the old one. Well, no, that's not the old one. Where's the old one at? I tossed it on the ground. There it is over there. So anyway, all you do, let me lift this up for you guys real quick. Is you get your flathead screwdriver. My bad. Anyway, you get your flathead screwdriver like this, and then you're just gonna want to go ahead, pry up these little clips. Just pry them up. So you gotta feel it might be easier getting it from the top. Let's try that. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, it just comes out just like that. Boom. And then get your top one out. See if I can get an angle on that. Probably not. See if I can get an angle on that. There we go. Yeah. Just like that. Just wiggle it in there. That's why I say you need a really tiny. Oh look, it's just coming up like that. Weird. That might be enough room to get it out. So let's get the bottom out first. Let's see. Just there you go. And the top one should be as easy, if not very challenging. Oh, there it goes. It's out just like that. Of course, you just want to make sure that both of your parts are the same. These basically are. One's a little bit different shaped on the top part, but it's basically relatively the same thing. These, when it comes to these parts, it doesn't matter because you know they fit just how they feel and they look in your hand. The problem I've been having with this top piece right here, doesn't seem like it wants to come out, but I got the bottom one out already, and see if I can get the top one out. See, what I'm doing is I'm prying it through the top right here with this little flathead, but when I'm prying the top one, it wants to kind of stay in there a little bit tricky, so we're going to go ahead and just try to twist it over a little bit and get it up out of there. Okay, now that we got the glass in place, it's actually easy for me to show you guys what I've been doing. So you got two of these little circular spots right up here, one on the glass and one right here on the actual frame. This bottom, the flatter part, obviously, just like how you took it off, pops right on there. And then you want to turn this a little bit where it fits. Just like that. Like that. There you go, boom, just like that. There we go. Slide it in there just like that and grab your clips. There we go. Grab these clips that came off. I already mixed them up. Let's go with this one right here. No, actually. Yeah, I will go with this one. And then this one right here on the bottom. Surprisingly, the bottom new clips actually look old, but that's what they look like right there when they come off. Oh. Top one is pretty easy. I can kind of get it off. I mean, I can kind of put it on by myself. I mean, well, without tools. See, there we go. It's on right there. And then let's try the bottom one real quick. see this one's gonna need a little bit of, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this one because I gotta wrap it. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to use 2 hands. All right, and there you go. No more over the head lifting, glass banging, rear hatch separation from the glass hanging glass anymore. It's all good. Now it's back. I haven't seen it like this in a long time. Of course, this fool right here is just interrupting my whole shot, but it's all good though. That's why I'm standing back here. There's a lot of activity going on out there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Simple how to, even though you probably already knew how to do that, didn't have to watch this, but like I said, dedicated, keep this channel posted. And that's it.